In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account on Cloudflare. If you've decided it's time to close out your Cloudflare presence, this walkthrough will guide you calmly through the process so you know exactly what to expect. Deleting your Cloudflare user removes your profile and associated personal data, and you'll lose access to any resources tied to that login. Before you proceed, take a moment to make sure you don't need any analytics, DNS settings, or configuration notes that might be useful later, because once you confirm the deletion, it's permanent. Keep in mind, deleting your user is different from removing a single website or pausing a service. This is a full account-level action tied to your login. If all you want is to stop using Cloudflare for a particular site, that's a separate workflow and doesn't require deleting your user. Let's begin inside your account. Open your browser and sign in to Cloudflare using your usual credentials. Give the dashboard a second to load. You should see your home screen with your avatar or account menu in the upper area. From here, click Profile. This takes you to your personal profile area, where Cloudflare keeps options related to your user rather than to specific websites or accounts. It's the right place to handle privacy, security, and account changes. Inside the profile page, look for the Settings section. That's where Cloudflare groups the key controls for your user. We're going to work inside this area for the remainder of the process. Now scroll down through the Settings section, move past the general preferences until you reach the controls related to advanced or irreversible actions. You're looking for the option labeled Delete User. It may be near the bottom to prevent accidental clicks. When you're ready, click Delete User. Cloudflare will display a confirmation screen summarizing what will happen next. Read it carefully. If your user is connected to multiple organizations, owns resources, or has pending items, you may see notes explaining any blockers. If everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to re-enter your password, provide a code, or type a confirmation phrase. Complete that prompt to finalize the request. After you confirm, Cloudflare will start the deletion process and sign you out. That's all there is to it. If you encounter a message indicating there are items to resolve before deletion, simply follow the guidance shown on screen and return to the same delete user option when you're ready. Thanks for watching. You now know the exact path. Profile, settings, scroll down, delete user, and confirm.